Assalamu alaikum students. Today the lecture is related to tablets. Tablets. Tablets, you know the name of tablets because nowadays it is a very popular and it is a very common device that you use in your daily life. I will discuss about some features, some advantages and some disadvantages of this device. So please, it is my request to all of my students, listen this lecture with a lot of concentrations, with full dedications and with 100% focused positions. Inshallah, you will get this lecture and the concepts about this topic will be cleared if your attention would be highly in this lecture. Let's start this topic, the tablets. First of all, the picture you are watching on the screen, this is the tablet picture, and along this picture there is a pen and it is called stylus and it is related and attached to this device. And the functions of this stylus is to write something in your own wording, in own your writing style you can easily. The second picture also basically clear your concept about the tabs, different types of shapes. It is usually called its tabs. So we can say that it is basically internet enabled portable computer and it is based on the internet basically. So most of the working we apply on these and most of the services we get from the internet through this device. So you can say that they work in a similar way to a smartphone, as we use smartphone mean cell phones and so on. So tablets use touch screen technology, means the area of tablet is more than as compared to the cell phone and the smartphones. So there is a very clear picture quality and the image and whatever we want to watch on the tablet. So the keyboard is a part of the touch screen, and keys are simply touched by the finger or a stylus. You know that the stylus is just like a pen shaped device which is connected to the tabs, and we can easily write something on the screen in our own handwriting. And internet access is usually through Wi-Fi or 3G, 4G, and 5G mobile phones connectivity. So tablets are equipped with a series of sensors, including cameras, microphones, accelerometers, and touch screen. Inshallah, we will discuss later about this, that what type of sensors we use, and you know about these, but you are not going to think in your mind that what type of sensors you use. Now, the features of tablets. It's a high definition. High definition means the quality of pictures, the quality of video, the quality of graphics, the quality of text is more than larger as compared to the smart or cell phones. Front and back facing cameras are attached on the tabs with which uh, you can easily focusing the things. Nowadays if you are going to chat and video chatting, you use with your relatives and friends and with your colleagues, you can easily use these both of the cameras attached on the front sides and the back sides of the tablets. Lower weight and longer battery life as compared to the laptop, because we are going to compare this device to the laptop, and you know that if we compare this device to the laptop, normally it has a less weight and the battery life is longer as compared to the laptop. Next, the feature of this is Bluetooth connections to printers and other devices. And it is a very great facility for the tablets, and we are using now in offices and other things, because we can attach and we can connect printer to tablets, and we can easily get the printouts that whatever we want to get. And also flash memory and cloud storage facility to backup and synchronize data sources. So these type of devices also can be connected and attached to the tablets, just to share the data, to transfer the data in terms of different type of data with each others. Now we'll discuss about the sensors. First of all, the sensor proximity sensors. Proximity sensors means when you will close your cell phone or a tab to the air, automatically it will sense your air, and automatically, especially when you make a call to your friend, and when you close your this machines or device to the air, automatically the screen would be uh, in the off mode. In outwardly you are looking that the screen is not showing, there is something, there is not showing anything on the screen. Second, the sensor that is called accelerometer, which means in car racing games, which detects movements and orientations of the device. For example, when we move the display from portrait to landscape, means we are using normally sorry, we are using normally the tab in portrait directions, but if we want to watch the tabs in landscape directions, just we have to move the tab in horizontal shape, and when we move the tab in horizontal shape, automatically the picture or something we are watching automatically would be in the shape of horizontal, same like in vertical shape. And you can easily, and now you can easily use, and this is not a new thing, and especially this sensor is not a new thing for today's. Each and every student know about this. And last, that can you use sophisticated speech recognition system, and in this, just like a Siri or I think Google Assistant, these are the example with which you can see this. Important features of the tabs in this is the very one thing is very important, because some of the latest tablets devices have been designed as a hybrid between tablets and smartphone. Means you can use tablets just like a cell phone. There will be a mm, same, you can use same mean single inline module chip inside the tab, and you can make a call to your friends just like a cell phone. And if you will not use in this way, then it means you are using just like a tablet. So it is the functions of tablets just like a hybrid functions. So then we refer it to the uh, name uh, for phablet. So phablet means you can use it just like a cell phone as well as just like a tablets. As far as the advantages are concerned, so there are a lot of advantages of this. Very fast to switch on, no doubt. It will less time to operate and to start the operating system of this. Fully portable, it means you can carry this device from one location to another location easily. Second, touch screen technology means there is no other devices need to attach with that. It's just like a keyboard and so on. Can use several apps as standards and don't generate any heat, because they use solid state technology. So that's why mm, don't generate any heat. Even you can use in very hot situations, in hot weather you can use it. Battery life of a tablet is a lot longer. I have discussed earlier And when the power button is pressed, it goes into a standby but remains connected to the internet. But on the background, all the activities is running, but you outwardly you are looking at the phone is off. If tablet has advantages and some important features, has also disadvantages of this tablet is also there are disadvantages of tablet, and we'll discuss about the disadvantages tablet has. The first is they often have limited memory or storage compared to a laptop, no doubt. Laptop can have a memory of 1 terabyte or a 2 terabyte even, and a long memory means RAM capacity of 4, 8 GB, 10 GB, even 16 GB. But it is not possible for tablets to contain have to have this type of large memory and large storage capacity. Simple, they can be expensive to run if the internet is being accessed frequently via mobile phone network. Typing on a touch screen can be slow and error prone compared to a standard keyboard. It is a very it's not an easy way to type something as far as the keyboard is concerned, and on the tablet it is not easy for the user to type anything through the keyboard that is inside the touch screen. And the last one is laptops tend to support more types of file format, but tablets is not, because it's a limited device, and mm, there are limited types of applications that we can run on the tablets as compared to the laptop, because laptop gives us a lot of capacity of uh, different types of file formats, with which we can use different types of applications for different purposes. Students, I think uh, you- your concept about this topic will be cleared, and for this you can get more concept if you will read the book and the details of this. And if you get any type of problem you may query, you can ask questions to me, and you can share all your problems in terms of queries and questions through your WhatsApp group, and inshallah I will give you a positive response on that. Thank you. Please care about yourself. Thank you.